Dr. Gonzalez has a few closing remarks for us.
Thank you, Mr. President. First, a big thank you to our board. We wouldn't be the high-performing district that we are without our board and without the decisions that you help us make. So from the entire McAllen ISD family to our board, we say thank you, and this helps us tremendously. I know that as we went through this workshop, heavy on our hearts was a situation that happened in Uvalde CISD. So I wanted to extend my condolences to Superintendent Hal Harrell, to Board President Luis Fernandez, to Building Principal Mandy Gutierrez. Robb Elementary School in Uvalde, Texas went through a horrific situation today. 18 children lost their lives and 3 adults. And as educators, we take great pride in educating our children academically, socially, emotionally, and keeping them safe. So just want Uvalde to know that McAllen ISD is here to support you. McAllen, Texas is here to support you in any way that we can. Our hearts are broken. There's really no words. As an educator, I'm heartbroken. As a dad, even more. And I know that this board holds the same sentiments, and so does the entire McAllen ISD team. So to Uvalde, Texas, from McAllen, Texas, we are so sorry. We're here to support you. You all stay strong and know that the rest of the state and the rest of the country and the rest of the world is praying for you all. And we're very sorry.
Thank you, Dr. Gonzalez.